Welcome children. Today we are going to study about maps, specifically topographical maps. But to understand what are topographical maps, let me just move back to the type of maps which you have already learnt and studied about. Now I have opened a page of the atlas where you can see the physical map of the world. So you have the entire world in front of you, and obviously the main or the most important physical features of the world have been shown over here. If you look at map, this page, you see that here the natural vegetation of the world, agriculture and distribution of types of agriculture, this has been shown in more detail. Only one aspect. As you understand, we cannot show all the other aspects mixed together in a single map. We continue with other type of details of the map over here. Then we look at the map of smaller areas. For example, we have Asia, a part of Asia rather. And as you can see, you have India and the surrounding countries shown over here. It's written India and adjacent countries. Obviously, since we are not taking up the entire world, you will be able to see more features in this particular map as more details can be shown. And from that map, we have now turned the page and come to only the map of India. And in the map of India, since it's again a slightly smaller area than the India and the adjacent countries, the map which I showed just now, more details can be seen. And as I turn the page further, we find that now we have only focused on northern part of India, both physical as well as political, and further details have been added on this page. And therefore, one thing which is very clear to you all from this is that when we take a larger area, we can show the entire world or the entire continent, but we can show lesser details. But as we reduce the area of the earth that we are covering in a single map, we can show more details. But you can still see that it is limited. If I want to locate a very small cities like Barabanki and all, you will not be able to see them in the map of Uttar Pradesh. Only the major cities, Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Agra, these are the ones which are the very important cities of Uttar Pradesh have been marked over here. But there are so many smaller cities that have not been shown. But if we open to the page where Uttar Pradesh has been given in detail, then you will see over here. Now we see on this page only the map of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in one or two states. Now if you will see, you will be able to see even Unnao has been shown, and Raebareli, and so many other smaller places and cities and towns have been shown in this particular map. Therefore, one thing that you should understand very clearly from this is that to show more details in a map, we need to take a smaller area. Keeping this concept in mind, the government, while India was being ruled by the Britishers themselves wanted to rule the country better and know about our resources better. So they embarked upon the big exercise of making detailed maps of the country. And these detailed maps showed children not just one or two things, but every man-made feature, right down to the last hut and building and temple and well and what type of road, as well as the natural features, whether they are mountain features, physical features, rivers, water bodies, what type of soil, all that was made in detail, and those maps are called survey maps. So here is what a survey map looks like. Now children, you will all open your books and find a copy of this map. Should be pasted either right in the beginning or right at the back of your books. And these are the two maps, 45D7, which says Gujarat and Rajasthan, and on the opposite side is 45D10, which is also Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now, how small the area is that is being covered in the survey map, I will show you by looking at the extent of the degrees of latitude and longitude. So focus in this corner. I am looking at sheet 45D10. You will see there is this vertical black line and there is a horizontal black line. And these lines are the vertical line is the longitude, the horizontal line is the latitude. Now the latitude is 24 degrees and 45 minutes. The longitude is 72 degrees and 30 minutes. So this line is the longitude of 72 degrees 30 minutes, which at the other end of the map comes to 72 degrees and 45 minutes. That means that the total width that is being shown from left to right in this map is only 1/4 of a degree. Only 15 minutes. We all divide a degree into 60 minutes, children, and a quarter of a degree, 1/4 of a degree is 15 minutes. Similarly, if we come down to the bottom, you see the same 72 degree 30 minutes longitude east of Greenwich. See, they've written here E of Greenwich, that is east. So this is 72 degree 30 minutes east, which again here is going to be the same 72 degrees 45 minutes. And now this bottommost black horizontal line is the latitude of 24 degrees 30 minutes, and we are moving northwards now. So from 24 degrees 30 minutes we reach the northern end, which is 24 degrees and 45 minutes. So again, from 30 minutes to 45 minutes, children, from top to bottom, the map is again covering 15 minutes or a quarter of a degree, and this is how small the area is. Now, if you all remember, each degree of latitude and longitude is approximately 111 kilometers on the ground. Therefore, if you divide 111 kilometers by 4, what do you get? You get something like 27-28 kilometers, and this is the extent